Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying your unlimited plan is active and you have login credentials. This saves wasted steps. Next, plug the modem into power and Ethernet. Use a direct connection to your router for stability. Once done, access the router's admin page with the provided IP address and sign in. If you need a hotspot, enable it now on your device and confirm signal strength. These first actions set a reliable baseline for higher throughput and fewer interruptions. You now configure the core settings so the unlimited service performs well. Set the APN or PPPoE credentials exactly as your provider requires, because small typos break connectivity. Then adjust the MTU to about 1,400–1,500. This reduces fragmentation and improves throughput. Once done, enable CoS and prioritize streaming or work traffic, which prevents one device from saturating the link. Make sure to save and reboot the router so changes take effect across all devices. Finish by testing the connection. Run speed and latency checks and a sustained download test to verify unlimited behavior. If speeds are inconsistent, reboot modem and router, reset Ethernet cables, and switch DNS to a reliable resolver to isolate DNS issues. Once done, monitor for an hour and capture logs or timestamps if performance dips. These details help your provider diagnose throttling or provisioning errors. If the problem persists, escalate with support, sharing the exact tests and times you recorded.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.